Hello, you are watching Drawing How To with Patty and
Ella.
we're gonna draw a bird today. So I hope you like birds as much as we do and you will enjoy this little tutorial.
Okay, so to start out drawing your bird, you're just gonna draw two, fairly big ovals like this.
Oh, right together. Okay.
Kind of like a big figure. We're just gonna draw a little like that.
A little connector. Now it looks like earmuffs.
It does. And that's the top of its head, so you can add a little fluff or whatever you want.
Can I go crazy like that?
Of course.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw the bottom of its body, which is going to look kind of like that. And then we're going to draw the eyes, so you can make them big like this. Okay, and then we're going to draw the beak, and it's just going to be a little thing right there. And then you can add little nostrils right there. And then we're going to do the legs, and they're going to be two little lines like that.
I like the little tiny legs.
And then that, and then two more little lines down. And then you can really draw the feet, however, but I'm just going to kind of draw mine like this. And then for my wings, I'm just going to draw them, and then, well, this part is optional, but you can add a little fluff on the tummy.
What kind of shape would my little fluff be? Like that?
Probably.
Okay, so now it looks like we're ready to color this little guy.
Yeah.
I love it. What would our bird say? Bark! Cheep! Okay, happy drawing. Bye!